So welcome back. This is video 3, how to reinvent your rejuvenation blueprint. We all have one. So if you've watched video 2, and if you haven't, please go back to that, you'll know that you have a sabotage strategy as far as rejuvenation is concerned. So you have an identity, which is an inauthentic identity, and you have a habit, and it could be a bad habit about eating, that you eat pizza a lot, that you eat hamburgers a lot, you eat fast food, and you don't really care what goes in you, because what goes in you affects the way you are and the way you look. Absolutely. So look at your inauthentic identity. For example, is it, well, I'm just getting older. I am someone who's getting older every day. Mm-mm. Your body is actually rejuvenating. It's doing its best to rejuvenate your heart, your lungs. So don't go against it. Don't go against nature. Slowly dying is against nature. So reinvent your inauthentic identity. And it would be something like, I'm someone who gets younger every day. I'm a woman, I'm a man who gets younger every day. And your eating habits, you know what that is. Eat green, eat vegetables, eat, and you don't have to cook them for long, preferably not cook them for long. Put them in boiling water for just a few seconds if it's frozen vegetables. Do that. Takes just a few seconds. Eat salads. Eat spinach. So change your eating habits and you'll feel a lot better. You'll have a lot more energy. And how will it impact your life? In every way. Your relationships, your business, your finances, your family, and most of all, how you feel about yourself. Love yourself enough to rejuvenate and to reinvent your sabotage strategy.